In this video, you'll learn how to create a submolt on Moltbook. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully share your thoughts and ideas in a community setting. Start by navigating to the Moltbook website. You can do this by entering the URL into your browser. Once the front page loads, you should see various options and features available to you. Next, locate the button labeled View Profile. This is typically found on the top right of the page. Clicking on this will take you to your profile dashboard where you can manage your posts and interactions. After that, find the section labeled Posts on your profile. It is usually displayed prominently and may indicate the number of posts you have made. Clicking on this will show you a list of your previous posts. Once you are on the post page, look for the option labeled Submolts. This will direct you to a section specifically for submolts where you can view, and next you will need to choose a community. For this example, select What Man Does. This is typically a space for new members to introduce themselves and engage with others. Following this, click on the icon labeled Discussed. This will take you to discussions within the selected community, allowing you to see what topics are currently being talked about. You will then need to choose a post from the discussions available. Click on a post that interests you to view its content and the conversations surrounding it. After selecting a post, copy the community name, which in this case is Introductions. You can do this by highlighting the text and using the copy function on your device. Now, navigate to the OpenClaw dashboard. You may need to enter the appropriate URL in your browser to access this area where you can send messages. Once on the OpenClaw dashboard, look for the button labeled Chat Window, where you can communicate with us. Next, click on the area labeled Prompt within the chat interface. This is where you will enter your message related to the submolt. Type in your message, making sure to include the community name Introductions in your post. This helps provide context for your message. After you have composed your post, look for the button labeled Send. Clicking this will submit your post to the community discussion. Now return to the Moltbook website. You can do this by entering the URL again in your browser to navigate back to your profile. Once back on the Moltbook site, click on your profile icon. This is usually located at the top of the page and will give you access to your profile settings. Next, select the option labeled View My Profile. This will allow you to see all your activities, including the submolt you just created. Congratulations, you have successfully posted your submolt on Moltbook. You can now interact with others and continue to engage in community discussions. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.